Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing great. So today I'll be sharing papdi and chickpeas chaat recipe with you guys. So now let's start the video. So we'll start off by taking 250 grams of all-purpose flour and then add in 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Mix these both ingredients well and then add in half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of carom seeds. When the flour holds the shape, knead it with the help of some water. When the dough gets prepared, rest it for 10 minutes. Now you can prepare as shown. I prepared them in triangular, rectangular and circular shapes. Fry on medium flame until they get golden brown. For preparing the chaat, take 2 small onions and chop them. Next goes in a diced tomato. Add in half bunch of fresh coriander and green chilies to taste. Take 500 grams of boiled chickpeas and then add in the diced vegetables. Add in 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes and cubes. Add in the tamarind water. It includes 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp and half cup of water. Next goes in a tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of chaat masala. Don't forget adding in half teaspoon of salt. I added it off camera. Mix everything well together and we're done. That's it for today. If you guys enjoy my recipes, don't forget smashing in that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.